Super duper easy on-off toggle with Figma Motion. Motions are best when you want to make your design look interactive, and Figma made that possible with its new beta motion tool. Click on it, then draw a frame. You're then gonna need a rounded rectangle. Grab the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle. Make sure the left and right edges are aligned with those of the frame. Once done, grab the corners and make your rectangle rounded. Next, you're gonna need to draw a circle. Let's make its color black so we can actually see it for now, and make it at the center of your rectangle. Next, you're gonna need temporary guides, and if you don't know how to bring those, check the video at the top right. Make sure to place one guide at the left edge of the rectangle and the other guide away enough. In my example, it's 57 pixels away. Make sure to place two more guides on the right side, and the gap between them should be 57 pixels as well. Now the magic begins. Select your circle and click on the diamond shape on the left corner of your motion timeline. Grab this red playhead and move it to 600. 600 here means 600 milliseconds. Once you're there, grab that circle and move it where its right edge hits the nearest guide you got on the right. That way you're telling Figma that after 600 milliseconds, you want the circle to be at that place. You don't want the circle to go right back to where it was. You need it to pause, then move back. And to achieve that, you're gonna copy the diamond under 600 and place it under 1200. Which means the circle needs to rest for 600 milliseconds before moving back. After another 600, you're gonna place a new position where you placed the circle where it originally was. One last thing you wanna do is to add another pause at the beginning, but it looks like the playhead is not able to move further than 2 seconds. And that's because Figma sets any motion with the initial time of 2 seconds max. If you want more, you click on 2 seconds at the left corner and change it to how long you want your motion to last. In my case, it's 2400 milliseconds. Once done, I was able to move the playhead further towards the point I want. Now copy the diamond you got under 1800 and paste it under 2400. Now if we go ahead and test it, it's working just fine. Now we need to work on the rectangle color. Select rectangle and click on the left corner diamond. Go to colors and set the color to red. You want to make sure that the diamonds you set are exactly positioned under the ones you set earlier with circle. Move the playhead to 600 and set the color to green. Then copy the diamond and paste it under 1200. Then, when the circle is back, you need the rectangle to change colors to red again. Then copy that red and paste it under 2400. A final step is to change the color of the circle to light gray. It's looking great now. If you want to know how to export motions from Figma so you can use it in your UI projects or anywhere else, please stick around for the next episode of Figma Motions with PixaBike.